Okay, I know you guys are done with my conspiracy theories, but this is bigger than Mr. Gander. We have to get to the bottom of this.
Say he is up to something. That doesn't mean that we have to go investigate it. Why can't we just go to Principal Gordon like normal kids?
We can't go to Principal Gordon. She's probably in on it too. Come on, guys. Ted. Amy.
I vote we go to the principal's office.
Fine.
Yeah, Brad was there. That's what I'm saying. He got invited. She didn't. Yeah, so she walks in, and Brad's there, and it explodes. The scene just explodes right in Chaz's living room. I mean, it was terrifying for me. I mean, the party was pretty lame, you know, up to that point. But it was nasty. She got nasty. He got nasty. He was invited. No, he was invited and she wasn't. I know. That's what I'm saying. So how was the Cracker Barrel? Uh-huh.
Hey, do you have a sticky
really?
eye?
With the big check.
Are you sure you want to do that? Yeah.
Who won?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, that solves that mystery. Uh-huh.
It's on channel 179.
What was the
battery?
Scallop
Well,
potatoes?
I put a new onboard microcell in it,
How
and
much?
it should give you a couple of weeks.
Really?
Thanks. No problem.
Oh my! In the bathroom? You were in the bathroom? Oh my God! How long? That sounds terrible. It's disgusting. Well, of course. No, I was just at home, you know, watching TV. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought.
Excuse me.
I gotta let you go, Mom.
We demand to see the principal.
You can't see the principal without an appointment.
But this is important.
First of all, Principal Gordon is a very busy woman. And secondly, that one has caused the school enough trouble. He's not getting in.
You know what to do.
At any rate, you can't see Principal Gordon without
Without an appointment. I know. But as the president of the Junior Student Council, I think I have the right, nay, the responsibility to talk to Principal Gordon about any concerns I have within this school. We just need 5 minutes.
You've got 3.
And she was all green and glowy.
I agree. Mr. Gander's teaching practices can seem a bit peculiar at times, but I can assure you that there was absolutely nothing to worry about.
The whole classroom was exposed to plutonium. I'm not sure you understand.
Ah, yes, we have a permit for that. You should consider yourselves lucky, you know? Having such a dedicated, wonderful science teacher as Mr. Gander, someone who understands the value of hands-on education. It's very rare these days, very rare indeed. I'll say that.
I appreciate your concern for the safety of the school, Miss Kelly, but it is being handled. Now,
If you'll excuse me, I need to get to lunch duty. On your way. Bye-bye, kids.
right. Okay. It's me. No, nothing bad. Just some kids asking some questions, especially that one with the squiggly hair. Yeah, I got rid of him. I told him I had a permit.
Let me guess. It's a signal from the mothership.
And they're poised at the edge of the galaxy.
Today's the day my dog died. Principal Gordon's definitely in on this, guys.
Uh-huh. Tell me again what she said?
It wasn't clear, but she's definitely hiding something. And she's in on it with Mr. Gander.
Principal Gordon has a permit. She showed it to us.
I'm sorry, Sparkly Squirrel. Maybe I should just let this one go. But I sure could use some help on my math homework.
Okay, so here's the blueprints. Now, there should be some sort of a boiler room. Schools have to have a boiler room. Also, the basement blueprint's completely gone, missing.
And this means...
I don't know.
When Principal Gordon finds out we bugged her office, we're finished. You've gone too far this time, Jason.
I think you're getting awfully stressed out. Prom is barely 12 weeks away. Have you thought about who you...
Just the way we planned. You're a genius, Mr. Gander. No. I'll take it from here. Okay. In trenches and tunnels obscured from the light, we march under cover darker than night.
No flags will they see, no footsteps they'll hear, for we're walking amongst them. They don't know yet to fear.